In front of me is OPPO Reno11 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Begin by selecting photos and clicking on Albums or Photos at the bottom. Then you need to hold one of your pictures that you wish to get rid of. And to select multiple, hit Select All at the top right corner. To keep some of them, tap on the chosen ones, and to get rid of the rest, use the Delete button at the bottom. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!